guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export, convert JPG to a PNG in Canva. So I'm just going to go to photos here. I'm just going to type in butterfly maybe. I'm going to go to photos and I am going to add in a photo here. And I want the background to be transparent, so I'm just going to leave it. Select share, and then when you hit the download button, there's going to be a file type here. You can choose JPEG, PNG, PDF, and whatnot. Select PNG, and you can also select transparent background if you have the Pro feature, but if not, just select download, and it's going to save your image into a JPEG. I mean a PNG, sorry, I keep messing that up. But that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions regarding to this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.